channel again, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the furnace when it's firing up, and then after a couple seconds it's shutting down. It will only take a couple minutes to do this. So to start, I have a 5/16 nut driver. So we're going to start in this furnace. We're going to start by removing these two screws, and then we'll remove this cover. Sometimes I like to get stuck in there. There it goes. Okay. So flame sensor will be right there. If you see a plug like this, don't mess with that one, because that is something else. So over here we're gonna remove this wire, and this will be a 1/4 inch nut driver. Okay, and this furnace is about 2 seasons, so that's how dirty it is. As of right now, it hasn't given me any problems, but I'm gonna go ahead and clean it just for so it won't fail in the middle of the night. So I'm gonna do mine with a dollar bill. Reason why is because I don't want to remove the factory coating, but you can do it with if it's really bad, you can do it with like 200 sandpaper. And yeah, this one's kind of bad, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use the sandpaper. I believe I have some here in my service bag. Here it is. So this is what I use. Just sandpaper. Normally I like to use the back, but in this case I'm gonna use just the rough side. There you go. Once you remove all the burn or rust, whatever it is in there, put it back in place, and we only go there one way, so don't worry about that. If you're gonna put it incorrectly, all you gotta do is just face the screw, the base to the screw down, and screw it in place just like that, and make sure it's hand tight. Plug it back in, and then you're good to fire up. And don't forget, before you do that, to turn the power off, just like I had it before. So thanks again. Thanks for watching again, and I see you in the next video.